Hey everyone, in today's video we're diving straight into how you can bring back your permanently deleted Gmail account in 2023. Time is precious, so let's get right into it. If you've accidentally lost access to your Gmail and are looking to recover it, I've got you covered. First, hop into your internet browser. Once you're there, head over to the search bar and type in Gmail account recovery. You'll want to click on the first link that pops up titled How to Recover Your Gmail Account. After you click on that, just scroll down a bit until you see the Recover Your Account option. Click on that, and then you'll see another option. Click on that too. Next up, you'll need to enter the email address of the Gmail account you're trying to recover. Hit Next, then Continue, and voila, you're all set. Your Gmail account should now be successfully recovered. That's how simple it is to get back a permanently deleted Gmail account. I hope this guide was helpful. Subscribe and don't forget to stay tuned for more videos. Catch you in the next one, and until then, peace out.